There are so many trading quotes out on the internet today. Don't try to catch a falling knife. Bull markets climb a wall of worry. Trade your plan, plan your trade. But there is one trading quote that I hate more than anything. This trading quote is used over and over and over again, and in my opinion, it is one of the worst trading quotes that is used universally in the trading world today. What is that trading quote? Stay tuned to find out. Disclaimer, before we get into this, I know that a lot of you use this quote and like this quote, so it's okay if you want to leave me nasty comments down in the comments below.
I don't want to cause any problems. This is just my opinion.
Yeah.
I think that Dove chocolate tastes way better than their soap.
I don't know about that.
I'm expecting for it. I'm ready for it. I know everybody out there loves this quote, and maybe I'm in the minority of thinking it sucks. What is this god-awful trading quote that everyone uses and is just dumb and doesn't make any sense, especially when you stand it alone? Well, the trend is your friend. Ugh, I hate that quote. The trend is your friend is the dumbest quote in trading by far, and it's not even close. I'm going to break it down in this video and give you some reasons why. You may or may not agree with me, and that's okay, but I'm going to tell you why the trend is your friend is a dumb trading quote.
It's just dumb.
Why is it dumb?
Okay, so can you use trends to trade? Absolutely. I have absolutely no issue with people trend trading. In fact, most of you may know I am a counter trend trader, but that's still kind of using the trend, just I'm using it as not your friend. But that's not the reason that I hate that quote. The reason that I hate that quote is that people use it without context, without reason. They see a stock going one direction or another, and they just say, the trend is your friend, and they get in aimlessly without a plan or a reason and hope that it works. I see this time and time again from people on YouTube, from commenters, from people who I know in real life who are just trying to do a little bit of investing on the side. I see it over and over again. Oh, this stock just made a new high and it's going up forever. It's never going to stop. And then what inevitably happens? It goes down and they end up losing money. But can this be avoided? Can the trend is your friend be used? Absolutely. But here's what needs to go along with it. One, a systematic game plan of why you are getting in more beyond the trend is your friend. Do you have specific chart patterns that you use? Do you have volume indicators? Do you read the time in sales if you're day trading? What reason do you have behind the trend is your friend to use it as a good trading indicator? Two, do you have risk management options in place? What if you get long in a stock because the trend is your friend and then all of a sudden the trend is no longer your friend and you decide to become a bag holder? Do you have risk management in place, or is the trend still your friend and you're going to buy some more and hope it goes up again? And finally, do you have a plan for if the trend does end up being your friend to take profits, or are you just going to let it go until it eventually comes back down to where you initially bought in the first place or below because the trend is your friend and you thought it was going to go forever and then it didn't? Now, like I said, don't get me twisted. I'm not saying that you can't trend trade. You absolutely can. In fact, one of my favorite quotes in the stock market, and the one that I've kind of come up with myself, and I don't think it's really out there besides me saying it, is there's thousands of different ways to trade and make money in the stock market, and the only one that's right is the one that works for you. So when I say I hate the saying the trend is your friend, that doesn't mean I don't think that trend traders can make money just because I am generally a counter trend trader. No, it doesn't mean that at all. It means that I think that phrase is used aimlessly throughout trading to try and make new traders simplified and sell courses and join chat rooms and things along those terms. So that is a simple concept that someone who's new to trading can hear from a trading guru or someone trying to sell one of these services and think, okay, I can get on board with that because I can understand that. I know what the trend is your friend means. It's easy, it's comfortable, it's an easy concept to try and get behind even if there's nothing else attached to it. And this is where a lot of people get in trouble with the trend is your friend, because it's mostly new people. I'm not talking about experienced traders who know what they're doing. I'm not talking about experienced traders who are making money consistently in the market. No, this is one of those phrases that is aimed at new traders to try and suck them in, to get hooked on an easy concept so that ultimately they can sell you their courses and their chat rooms. There is a reason why over 90% of day traders fail. Hey, look, another trading quote. Gotcha with another one. Actually, don't mind that one because it's true. But there is a reason that over 90% of day traders fail, and it's because they try and do things in the comfort zone. They try and do trading that is easy, that makes them feel good, instead of actually focusing on what works. And the trend is your friend is one of those sayings and trading strategies without anything else behind it that makes you feel good, is easy to get behind, and doesn't make you leave your comfort zone. You have to be able to leave your comfort zone in trading if you think you're going to make any money. If you want to feel comfy and cozy, go buy a blanket, sit by a fire. Don't trend as your friend. So that's it. That's why the trend is your friend is my most hated saying in trading. There's a whole bunch of them out there. We could have gotten into it, but by far, this is the one I hear the most, especially from new traders, especially from people asking questions. Oh, why are you going against the trend? The trend is your friend. Well, maybe, until it's not. So this is why I hate that saying. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about the trend is your friend? Do you use it? What do you think about the saying in general? What other sayings are out there in the market that you don't like? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's get this video trending in your right direction. Make the comments down there, my friend. Or if you hated this video, make them not my friend, because I don't like the saying anyway. The trend is not necessarily your friend.